Midea, the global leader of air conditioners. In 2015, sales of Midea Group reached $23 billion. With products exported to over 200 countries and regions. As a Forbes Top 500 company, Midea manufactures 20% of all the air conditioners in the world, ranking number 1 among China's exports. Moreover, Midea is also the air conditioner supplier of the 2016 Rio Olympic Games. Midea has become the number 1 air treatment products manufacturer in the world, and technology innovation makes the group lead the industry. The Midea Residential Air Conditioner R&D Center has 1,400 R&D experts and invests over $300 million annually for the development of cutting-edge technologies. With the M-Smart Intelligent Housekeeping System, users can remotely control home appliances via smartphones, starting a new chapter of the smart era. The energy-saving technology of 1 kilowatt-hour per night allows Midea air conditioners to be the first to claim this promise in the industry. With various advanced technologies, Midea air conditioners strike a perfect balance between excellent operating performance and an environmentally friendly solution. So far, Midea residential air conditioners have obtained a large number of patents, including inventions, features, and designs, more than 3,600 in total. And Midea is well recognized by various international awards, such as the Good Design Award, the Red Dot Award, the IF Design Award, and the Industrial Design Excellence Award, etc. With 11 manufacturing bases, Midea has built a complete supply chain, not only mastering the manufacturing technology of heat exchangers and high-precision circuit boards, but also producing the Intelligent Power Module, which is the key component for inverter air conditioners. Meanwhile, Midea is the first company applying half-pipe auto docking equipment in the industry. With the world's largest manufacturing base, Midea produces 45 million sets of compressors annually, with over 30% global market share. And its annual motor production has even reached 120 million sets. On the Midea Smart Automatic Production Line, 800 robots improve the overall production efficiency by 70% with 0 errors. Midea has invested $100 million to establish 161 various testing labs to ensure the sustainable operation of air conditioners, even in extreme environments. And the robust quality control system, supported by 3,000 engineers and inspectors, has won 35 quality certifications globally, guaranteeing the quality of every single product. Midea, as the global leader of air conditioners, dedicated to technology innovation, lean manufacturing, and strict quality control, makes every effort to provide the best air treatment for millions of families around the world. Midea Residential Air Conditioner.